What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for a little Infinity Falls construction update. Let's see if any testing is going on, or if anything else has changed. No wait to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way, and hopefully we're able to do a lot because, well, storms are rolling in, and I guarantee you by the end of this video, it's going to be downpouring. To start off the day, let's take a ride on the Sky Tower and see if it's open. Well, yes, indeed it is. It says a 25-minute wait. Hopefully it's not that bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Miles per hour, along nearly a mile of track. If you look for the icy world of the penguin like never before, experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first-of-its-kind family ride. Connect with the colony above and below the water, and be inspired to make a difference. Unwind at one of Orlando's least known fine dining experiences, Shark's Underwater Grill.
Really? Are they doing them all summertime now? All the way till September? We missed it last year. It's on Friday night, right? Really? It was select night.
Guest information counter near the front of the SeaWorld entrance gates. When you exit the Sky Tower today,
look who it is, guys. Sydney's back. Work walls are still up around this area next to the Whitewater Supply Store. Hopefully they're going to be coming down soon. And a little bit closer now, we can see that rope has not been installed into these posts just yet, but hopefully the other side has it. Here's a better look at the informational games, as we can see right here. It looks like everything is all done electrical wise. And all we need to do is take these work walls down and open up Infinity Falls. Again, hopefully it's going to be very soon, but everything over here looks like it's ready to go. Some good news on the progress with the ropes and fence line. We can see it's been installed right there. It goes all the way down towards Shamu. On the catwalk there, we can see some lighting has been installed all the way over here towards the drop as well. Here's a look at some of the workers tightening down the bolts on the catwalk, and we can also see the lights have been installed right there. And another thing, the counterweight used to be right here. Well, guess what? It's now up there, so that means the part has come in. It looks like everything is back to normal, so hopefully testing will be as well. Hooray for more water tests, and this time it is the water screen right at the very beginning of the rapids. It's on. Now rumor has it as soon as the raft approaches up here, this will split and you're not going to get too soaked, but who knows, they could leave it like this, get everybody drenched. Well, good news, we have employees that have returned to the area as well to watch over testing. other rapids and waterfalls have been turned on, it looks like. Looks like in the meantime, while we're not doing any testing with the rafts, they're doing a little pressure washing here on the drop. Lots of queue railing is in place all over the attraction now. Well, good news guys, the rapids are back on, and this is the first time it's been that way for at least a week. Well, a little bit of time is progressing. We can now see the waterfall on right here for the lift. So yes, water is now on. Well, this is some good news. Those concrete forms that were in our last update, we can see are now in the ground, probably with rebar. So hopefully these footings are possibly for a new attraction. So yeah, right next to Jazzy Jellies we have an area that has been cleared, and we can see the fence has been partially removed. There's a lot of equipment and vehicles back there now. And another ride on the Jazzy Jellies just for a construction update. Hello, marking. And this one's location is right here next to Jazzy Jellies. Well guys, that is going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Infinity Falls and Sesame Street. And I'm very happy to say that Infinity Falls is at least testing again with the water. So yes, the water screen was on, the waterfall on the vertical lift was also on, and then we had the rapids on as well. No testing with the rafts, but hopefully very soon that's going to be changing. And of course Sesame Street is looking really awesome as we have Manta doing a flyby. But yeah, there's a lot of footings over there with rebar and the likes. A lot of progress going on with Sesame Street. Exciting stuff, and we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.